Mind chatter. It's the constant voice in your head, running on a loop. It pulls you into the past and drags you into the future and steals your peace in the present moment. But what if you can break free? What if you can train your mind to be your ally instead of your enemy? The Human User Manual teaches you exactly how. This happens all the time. At work, at home, while scrolling through your phone, most people don't even know it's happening. Your mind is constantly playing out imaginary conversations, replaying old mistakes, and creating stress over things that haven't even happened yet. And here's the problem. To your brain, it doesn't matter whether it's real or imagined, because it cannot tell the difference. Your mind cannot distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. When you dwell on past failures or stress over future what ifs, your body reacts as if it's happening right now. Stress hormones flood your system. Your breathing changes. Your body temperature changes. Your focus disappears. Mind chatter makes you less present in your own life. It's why you forget why you walked into a room, why you can't focus on a conversation, why you feel mentally exhausted even before the day starts. But here's the truth. You don't have to live like this. You can quiet the noise. You can reclaim control over your mind. In the Human User Manual, you'll discover proven techniques to stop overthinking, shift your mindset, and find peace. First, recognize when your thoughts spiral into negativity. The moment you notice the mind chatter, you gain power to stop it. Then, reframe the story. Instead of saying, I always mess up, tell yourself, I am learning and improving every day. And most importantly, practice stillness. Even a few minutes of silence a day can train your mind to be more present. Imagine being free from the mental noise. Imagine actually living your life instead of being trapped in your head. This isn't just possible, it's something you can train your mind to do. And the Human User Manual will show you how. It's time to take back control. The Human User Manual is available now. Grab your copy on Amazon or Apple Books. It's the one action you can take today that you will never regret.